How to change your profile picture on Roblox on PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your PC. Then you'll find three lines on top left corner of your screen. Click on it and then click on Avatar, which is below Friends. From here, you can choose any character, clothing, accessories, head and body, or animation you want. Simply select the one you want and deselect the one you don't want. After you're done with your selection, simply reload the page. After you reload the page, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply go to your profile on top, and as you can see, your profile picture has been changed. This is how to change your profile picture on Roblox on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.